beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will learn about backlinking. Backlinking is one of the best step which I usually use for increasing the visitors to your website, and it will also increase your page authorities and a lot of other things. So first of all, what is backlinking? So backlinking is a process of linking your website to other websites. So for example, if you have a website and if you have a particular niche, you can request that websites to link your website on their website, and in results you can also link their website on your website. In this way you will get certain backlinks from that particular websites. Definitely we will practically do the backlinking for our website as well. So I will show you the technique where we can post some links or we can share some advertisements or links to the other website, classified websites, yellow pages, etc. So the other thing is that the backlinking has two types of backlinks: high quality and low quality backlinks. So for example, if a certain website has a low quality page ranking, for example, if the website have lower page authority or domain authority, then your links on that website will be low quality backlinks. So for example, some ordinary websites which are very new to the market, or some spamming websites, etc., are the example of low quality backlinks. But there are some websites that have high quality backlinks, like YouTube, like Facebook, like bigger websites like you can say Apple, you can say Toshiba, HP. These are the websites which have high quality materials, and they have a higher page authorities and domain authorities, so you can backlink to that websites, and that backlinking will be very useful, and that will be called as a high quality backlinks. And definitely with backlinking you will improve organic ranking, and ranking in Google will be improved by this process. And it's my personal experience that this is the main step for improving the traffic and organic ranking for your website, and it's a very important step. Definitely if you will have the organic ranking, if you will improve your organic ranking, then you will be found faster in search results. And if somebody will search you or search any keyword relevant to your website, you will be found there on the first page of the Google or the search engine. Definitely by backlinking you are getting referral traffic. So in results you will some websites are actually referring your website, and in the results you can also refer their website to your website. So this is simply the backlinking process, and in the next video we will learn about a technique for backlinking which is very useful.